In the last episode we sailed to Ile-de-Pin and back to Prony. There we got the media team on board and sailed to Maré. They actually made a beautiful film of Greatcircle, even though I feel a little bit spoiled by the films that Mark is already making from us every week. But their film is very special. It should be on the Gliwo YouTube channel in the coming weeks. In Maré we visited the Avocado festival and you can see that the Kanak, the original inhabitants of New Caledonia, are living sort of in between two worlds. In Vanuatu, where we will arrive later, you can see very original tribes. But here they're sort of living in between two worlds. On one hand you see the very old-fashioned tribes, and on the other hand you see all the modern technology, small children with phones and a band playing on a field. It's a very special location.
So the rest started already to Vanuatu?
The crossing to Vanuatu is a little bit upwind, and after banging on the waves for about 20 hours, I know why I don't like going upwind.
Lolly. So it's right in front of us now. We were already trying to sail around the thunderstorm, but then it's kind of moved in another direction suddenly. We saw a really bright lightning flash hitting the water, or hopefully the water just in front of us. Two canoes reappeared on the AIS, so they seem to be okay. 2 knots of wind remaining. So this one just stays there stationary. We only have to go around that corner into port resolution.
We arrived in Port Resolution and come together in the yacht club. The media team goes to a beautiful resort for 1 or 2 days, and it's really funny, the place that they are going to sleep. Lia's is a place where you can have lunch, where we all have lunch together. There are people of the ready who are helping them, repairing their solar panels, fixing their water tanks. So the people in the village are very grateful that we are there. But it's dry in the yacht club. It is still covered, even though it's partly destroyed by the last hurricane. We can still use it. And then in the afternoon we all go to the volcano.
You'll be sweet to her, eh?
Hello. Hello.
Series 3, eh?
Oh, pardon.
It is actually fabulous. I'm doing the filming there because Mark is a little bit afraid of heights. In Europe or in America or anywhere else in the world, they would have had fences and warnings and everything. And here you could just stand on the side of the crater and look into the fire. The car trip to the volcano area was very exciting, to say the least. The roads are really bad on Tanna. And then we are going to the organized event that we will have together with the villagers. We brought all kinds of goods from New Zealand to help them overcome all the damage from the hurricanes.
The ghost of the volcano loves it. But when we leave Tanna, what we remember the most is not the volcano, it's you, the people. You smile. Thank you.
Not our adopted daughter. We are
The villagers made a lot of presents for us to give back. There were baskets with fruits and there were all kinds of handmade things. It was beautiful. There's so many gifts. Unbelievable. Yeah, so this is the yacht club.
My son gave
Yeah.
to you.
Thank you so much. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
What a waving. So we have enough daylight to set the sails and the course, and then we'll have an easy night. There's not going to be a lot of wind. By a track behind us, they will overtake us for sure.
In the beginning was a nice wind, very relaxed. And at a certain moment in the night we got a huge squall and then the wind was like crazy. So it kept us busy for a couple of hours. It went from 0 to 24 knots, turned 100 or 120 degrees.
So we had a beautiful sail in the first part of the crossing from Port Resolution to Port Vila. But then the wind died earlier than promised. We were just too tired. We don't feel like putting the A2 up. So we just rolled out the Jenniker and we're drifting towards Port Vila. As long as we arrive there before sunset. Pancakes for breakfast. We did the laundry. So we have extra sails, but all boats behind us don't have any wind as well. Some of them are probably motor sailing and others are just drifting like we are as well. Ja, er zit er een links van ons, die krijgen we niet, maar daar zit er inderdaad ook nog een.
Oh, die had je niet gezien voor?
Nee. Our automatic washing program is ready.
Yeah.
Well, we didn't. Did we make the boat salty? I don't think so. We have to go around that point where the lighthouse is, and then it's a couple of miles to the mooring area.
So Port Vila feels like being back in civilization again.
But there's an electricity cable in between, so it can't come from that side.
Portable gas. In the next episode, we will see some more beautiful islands of Vanuatu, and we are going to spread out some more gifts to the locals.